Hello beautiful peoples, welcome to Mobile with Info YouTube channel. Today I will talk about Samsung Galaxy M22. Before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's start this video guys. Samsung will unveil its new Galaxy M22 soon to the market. Some news was discovered, Samsung is working on an M series smartphone. The M series is a mid-range segment of the company. The newcomer has got certified by the FCC. Anyway, this device will be called the Samsung Galaxy M22. The coming smartphone will be powered by the MediaTek Helio G80 chipset. The handset with this processor will provide the user with powerful results. The device has an octa-core processor with a GPU of Mali G52MP2. The display of the Samsung's Galaxy M22 is 6.4 inches long, and the special thing about the display of this handset is that it has a Super AMOLED capacitive touchscreen panel. The resolution of the display will be 720x1600 pixels, which is the best setting of resolution in this class. The Samsung Galaxy M22 is going to run the upcoming smartphone with an Android 11 operating system. Also, there is glass protection of Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The device also grabs RAM with a massive capacity of 4/6 GB. The RAM is on high end, which will ensure outstanding performance. The Galaxy M22 by Samsung is having enough storage capacity that will be there to hold enough files to be used in the future. The internal storage capacity that you will find on this handset is 64/128 GB. The Samsung M22 is packing the upcoming smartphone with a quad camera setup. The main sensor of the phone will be 48 megapixels, 8 megapixels, 2 megapixels, 2 megapixels. The upcoming device of the company Samsung Galaxy's M22 also has a 13 megapixel selfie camera for capturing photos and movies of your loving ones. The Samsung Galaxy M22 has got a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner for security reasons to give protection to the data. The Galaxy M22 is packed with a big battery of 5000 mAh to give you a full day of use and supports fast charging. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next video.